Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Saturday, October 5th of 2024, and we are back for yet another stream. How y'all doing, chat? How's it going? Let's see. Well, I forgot to open all my windows. What am I doing? I don't know that I have any updates since last stream on Monday. So I don't think I did too much, but we'll take a look at that in a bit. But let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we will jump into things. The plan for today's stream is to release Precommit 4.0, a major release, although there's not really much breakage. It's mostly just like I have a deprecation warning that's been going for a while, so we'll pull off the band-aid and be done with it. And also, yeah, make a release, because we haven't done that in a while either. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. Oh my god, we got a new phrase we gotta ban. God damn it. Goodbye. I gotta figure out how to ban things again. Oh, and my chat thing works. Oh, I forgot about that. This overlay that you see here is entirely custom. We made it. I don't even remember the URL at this point. What is it called? Data URL Twitch overlays. Yeah, so these are Twitch overlays that don't require a server at all. They're purely a data URL. And so they don't require anything running at all. They're truly even more serverless than serverless. But let me figure out my moderation real quick. I can never remember what thing it's in. Content? No. Settings? There it is. Moderation. Blocked terms and phrases. We got a new one to add. Was it? Oh, I don't know what the message was. Fuck. It'll be over here because I haven't implemented this one yet. Yeah. We don't have it reversing on the serverless, or on the terminal one. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here. It looks like JJMC was first today, as usual. Beldothis is also here. We've also got Nerom. We've got S1 Cube also here. Nate Codes, welcome to the stream. Nate also streams. I hung out with Nate at TwitchCon. You should go check out Nate. We got some subs to replay. We got JJMC, who's resubbed at 26 months with the noodle, of course. Beldothis has resubscribed at 43 months. Holy shit. Y'all have so many sub months. And Nerom has subbed at 23 months, which you're almost to that fancy badge. It's good to see you again. Thank you all for your continued support. Really appreciate you all stopping by. And we also have Eagle PT, who has resubbed at 31 months. Good to see you again as well. And thank you as well for your continued support. I hope you are all doing great. I hope your Saturday and or Sunday is great. I hope it's going well. And S1 Cube, hello. I think I already said hi to you, but I've now said hi to you twice. Shmuel is also here. How you doing? It's Spoopy month, indeed. It is October, which means we can all wake up, right? Wake me up. It is still serverless. Yeah, we already answered that. D-Delsp is also here. Hey, Anthony, just stopping by to say hey, and then hope the stream goes well. If I recall correctly, the bots are strong this weekend. Yeah, I was watching Juice's stream. She quit her job at Twitch, and she was also dealing with a lot of bots. But I figure we will have a little celebratory burr. Oh fuck, I turned it the wrong way. We are drinking the Dragon's Milk Reserve s'mores. Look out, it's 11%, so we're probably only having one. But it'll be good. Where did my mouse go? There it is. Are we gonna celebrate Precommit 4 with pumpkin bread? So actually, Beldothis, I look like a fucking genius predictor right here. I actually bought the ingredients for pumpkin bread literally yesterday. So we are prepped and ready to make some pumpkin bread, and perhaps we will stream that again. Or was it pumpkin cake? I mean, it's basically the same thing. It's cake. It's good. It's delicious. LVM beer? I don't know the reference. Belwada's also here. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, people. Happy Saturday, you all. Assuming everyone here is people, right? There's a not people here, and I'm sure there's a bunch of other bots too. Campus iPad says, hello, what's the TLDR of the new release? So there's only one breaking change. And we actually haven't committed it yet, so we will commit it soon. Yeah, the only breaking change is very unlikely to break anyone, but version numbers are free. So it's mostly just, I don't know, it's been a long time warning about an old thing, so it's time to purge it as I do. And it won't simplify much code, but it will, I don't know, feels good to bump a number. LVM has a Dargan logo. Ah, that makes sense. Pumpkin carbohydrate delivery. True, true, true. True. Okay. Fuck. What was I gonna do? I guess. Oh yeah, I was gonna go over pull requests since last time. So, this was the thing that we did on stream last time, where we updated the stage names. I actually thought of a clever idea that might just work. So, we were trying to make this minimum pre-commit version thing work, but it was already erroring earlier because this in older versions gets checked before this does. But I was thinking, if I make just a garbage hook before this and set it there, then it might be early enough. Might be early enough that we can get this to produce a good error message. So I might look into that. But we would just make a I don't know, ID garbage and like language fail and just make it not something that anyone would ever run. But so that's a thought. I want to explore that before we do this. I also want to refine this pull rec, or not this one. Why didn't this get merged? Because they updated their commit message maybe finally, but they didn't fix it here. Okay, so we're gonna try and merge this one too. But we might need to. We might need to good code change like a ghost. Also, we will have to good code change like a ghost because I bet they're using the old names. So yeah, so we'll have to update this one too. But that's fine. But I wanted to merge this one and get it into a good state first. And yeah. Oh, we might even be able to do a major release here because how long has this been? 1032. Remove, deprecate, April. Okay, so it's been a while. I don't even think this ever got released either, so we definitely need another release in between. Did this get released? Oh, it did. Okay, maybe we can do that one a little bit more aggressively. Bingham, hello, hello. How you doing? But anyway, let's get started with the actual breaking change, since that's the important part. Pre-commit git pull ff only. Oh, what's in our to-do file? That's always a fun one. To-do. Warning for stages in initialized repo. We did this! Yay! It might be a problem in the hook that isn't requested. That's fine. We decided we don't care. Cool. What's in t.py? I was playing around with apply defaults. Alright, don't need you. What's in t.yaml? This example thing. What's in t2.py? I might put this in my T repo because I find it kind of cool. What's in t3.py? My computer being haunted. It's still haunted. It's so weird. It's so weird. We get a lot more variety in the digit endings though this time. But there's something fucked up with my computer. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna try and make a video. I don't want the answer yet. I want a clickbaity video first. Anyway, yeah, for some reason, like nanosecond time is not monotonic in this VM. And I know this processor is a lot faster, but it's not that fast. Python function calls aren't free. But subprocesses aren't free either. There's no way you can start and stop a subprocess within a nanosecond. And so there's something messed up with this. And I think I was printing the deltas here too, and like, yeah. Anyway, there's something messed up, but that's fine. Okay, so the thing that we're actually removing is Python VM. And let's see, do I have a git log? Can I do this? Does this work? It does. Oh, cool. So I can actually find this directly. Da da da, that's the wrong repo. Op. Oh, we might merge this one too. Let's see. Resolves 2734. Oh, so I did deprecate it, but I didn't do the removal. So yeah, this is what we're doing. We're doing step 4. And it's been long enough, right? Because it was February of 2023, so it's been over a year. Cool. So remove Python VM. Meat sauce. Thank you for the resub at 20 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and thank you for your continued support. Appreciate you stopping by. And it does indeed start with a 2. You've incremented a number in base 10. Python VM. Let's do this. Obviously, we don't care in the change log. Fully deprecate Python VM. Done. Python VM. This will stick around because this is migrate config. Repository. So, and nuke the warning there. And kill that file. And this is migrate config. And this goes away too. Cool. Very cool. Remove deprecated Python VM alias. That is our true breaking change here. Oh, we get to remove Schlecks too. Schlecks. Get that again. Cool. Breakpoint 4, what's new? This is the only breaking change. Removing something that no one's been using for a while, basically. Oh, I wanted to show you the things that I did since last time. I did 2 tiny things. One, I was staring at the PyFlakes code, and I was like, why the fuck does it keep track of the return value in the code that looks at the return AST node? Like, why is this recorded here? And it turns out it's unused. There's no reason for it to do that. Well, there was a reason when it was introduced. It was to, I think, ban return in a generator, which used to be a syntax error until it got turned into the return type of a generator, which still I've never really seen used for any reason, but it is a thing that you can do with generator coroutines. But I noticed the code was dead, so I deleted it. Very simple. This one was for work stuff, a typing improvement for Django stubs. Basically, this overload was wrong. Yeah, so I fixed the overload, wrote a little test, and linked a real usage and the implementation that also does that too. So very easy fix there. Couldn't update, could not delete headref. Oh my fucking god. Buggy ass feature. What's broken this time? Network crash. Delete a 404. Absolute garbage. Anyway, clearly not testing their features. I'm in a beta bucket, so this is a beta feature. Why it's broken. I guess I can fix it by going here and then here and then here and then here. I think I can actually delete all of these. because I'm pretty sure this got merged. GitHub used to show the like, it used to show the pull requests here, even if it were a fork. But I think it only shows it within the repo now, which is kind of annoying. But anyway, I'll delete those later. That's the open source since last time, so not too much. I should have pushed this so it started the CI, because that's gonna take a while. How y'all doing, chat? I've been running a bunch more. A little less this week because I was busy, but I'm gonna do 6 miles tomorrow, which will be fun. I've done what? 10 miles this week so far, which is not much. Because I did 22 last week. I'm only gonna do 16 this week because I was busy. Although maybe I could run later today. I don't know. The day is young. I went climbing this morning, which was fun. Are you prepping for a marathon? Not yet, but I might do. Someone was recommending this one, Bayshore, Michigan Marathon. The Bayshore Marathon. One of the other people in Run Club was suggesting this, which would. I hear it's very flat. Starts bright fucking early in the morning. Do I get a finisher's medal? One would fucking hope so. These people are biting a medal, so surely. Kegs, it says gluten afternoon. Are you breaded up? That came out wrong. And pretend I never said that, Kegs. Dino says gonna head out for a game watch. Hope the stream's great. The Iowa time. But yeah, I might do this marathon just because it. I don't know. Someone recommended it to me, and it's far enough off that I have plenty of time to train. Honestly, that I'm already up to like 20 miles a week is pretty good, given I haven't I haven't like run a long time in a while, but it's 7 p.m. here. Beldathis says mop actually to you. Where's your mop emotes, Beldathis? He also says, I know you're cheering for us because you know fuck state, right? Oh, I mean, if it's Michigan State, they've got no chance of winning. It's Ohio State, absolutely win. Is that the one you're gonna do with Juicebox Hero? I don't think so. I think we're gonna try and do like a January like 10K. I think marathon might be a bit much for Juice to train up for. I would say she's busy, but with no employment, I don't know how busy you can be. Also, Rollers, welcome back. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing great. But yeah, I need to pick a Juice and I need to pick a 10K and do it. Because I'm forcing her into I'm not forcing her. She has free will. But I think it'll be fun, something fun to aim for and accomplish. So that'll be cool. It's the one to your south? Oh, it's Ohio State. Yeah, fucking destroy them. It's, I think Ohio State's probably gonna beat Iowa, but if you win, you win. And just imagine the emotes. Hey, there you go. It's really what you want it to be at the end of the day. Kicks is finishing YouTube videos. Sounds good. Sounds good. But yeah, not specifically training for anything yet, but the plan is eventually to train, to do the training, and yeah. Okay, so the other thing that I wanted to look at is with minimum pre-commit version in pre-commit hooks, can I make it not? Oh no, I got another dead tab. I think this is related to my weird oh, 3 dead tabs in a row. Wild. I think this is somehow related to my nanoseconds bug, but I don't know. Something is very wrong, and I'm just sort of dealing with it. Okay, so if I do ID, you have to put this in quotes, actually. I'll just call it underscore meta. Thing there. Name. This is not a real hook. Don't need a description. Entry. This is not a real hook. Language fail. Minimum pre-commit version 3.2.0. And my question is, if I do this, get ls remote, check YAML does not appear to be, dot check YAML, there we go. So that should succeed. If I downgrade pre-commit less than 3.2.0, and I try this. Damn, really? Really? Why? Why didn't it try this first? Is very weird to me. Maybe I need to commit it. I was pretty sure this was going to work. Oh, I have to do it again. Damn it. Should have saved the diff. ID meta name blah. Hey, what's up, Ormus? Hello, hello. How you doing? Wait, what? Wait, what? Why didn't it fire at all? Check string, check min version. What? Did this work differently before? Minimum. Oh. It's only checking that it's a string here in the older version. Huh. Okay. Well. Well, says, I'm having an internal philosophical debate on whether I should use assertion error or value error. Any tips? For me, I usually lean towards assertion error in a few cases. For testing helpers, almost always assertion error. Things that should never ever be false are usually like a programming problem, like some misconfiguration or something that's like the programmer's fault, or like something that is an impossible state. I'll use assertion error. If it's something where you're like a library and somebody passes in something that's invalid, I would use value error or type error, depending on whether it's a typing problem or a value problem. And the kind of the rationale between type error and value error is like, do I expect a string and I got an integer? That's probably a value error. Do I expect a positive number and I got a negative one? That's probably a value error. Did I say type error for the first one and value error for the second? I don't even know. But that's what I meant. Eric's also here. Hello, hello, Eric. Good to see you again. What do we got to do to make a pre-commit bump today? Nothing, pretty minor. Nothing big. I said value for God damn it. Okay, expected string got int. Type error. Expected positive number got negative. Value error. There we go. Better. Eric, thank you for the resub with Prime at 17 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. I don't know what to tell. Says, looks like wine. It is beer. It is 11%, so it might as well be wine. But yeah, it's very good. It's s'mores. It's s'mores flavored. One of my favorites. Okay, so it looks like because the old version did this wrong, or not wrong, it did it different, but we can't actually improve the error message here, which sucks. But hey, it'll be better next time. Orma says, I had a glass of proper Jack Daniels straight from Nashville last night. I don't know why I quit all southern there. Turns out apple juice isn't that bad of a mixer in the end. True. Yeah. Well, I don't like whiskey, but rum and cider or rum and apple juice, microwave that shit up. Delicious. Like, one of my favorite terrible drinks. It's not terrible, but it's like, I don't know. Not classy, you know? Did I say microwave? I did. I did say microwave. Microwave cider is so good. I mean, if you want to be fancier, you could heat it on the stove. That would get you the same way. X Pinky says, would you want Python to have a better explanation on what sort of errors a function can arise? For example, in Rust, exceptions are a return value. I don't think it would help Python, personally. Having dealt with checked exceptions in Java, no one wants that. Big pain in the ass. And, you know, you can annotate it. You can, or not annotate it, you can document it. But, you know, it even doesn't really help you too much there. And even in Go, like, Go has a similar error handling approach as Rust, which, I mean, granted, it's not. Rust is usually like a result, and you have tooling for that, whereas in Go, it's a tuple, and you check whether it's null or not. But in Go, people don't usually annotate the exact error type. It's usually just interface error or whatever. I don't remember the actual syntax for it because it's been so long since I've written Go, but you get the idea. Like, even when you have the ability to type the specific exception that you could get, most people don't, because it's just easier to be like, error. It's either error or none, error or null, error or nil. And I think even in Rust, like, I find it very rare, at least in the Rust I've written, I find it very rare to care about the specific exception type, except in like very, very specific cases. Most of the time it's like, if it's an error, don't care, you know, either I handle it or I let it bubble up. And most of the times, like, or panic. Or panic. Anyway, it looks like I can't actually improve this here, so valiant idea, but looks like it is not possible given what I did here. And I think this change only happened in 3.6, so I'll just have to make a Stack Overflow post with the what am I trying to say? With the error message. Honestly, I should probably already have that because it'd be pretty easy to do. Actually, we can just downgrade and do it again. Pip install pre-commit equals 3.1.0. And if I do pre-commit try repo dot this triggered before? It shouldn't have, given what we just observed. Yeah, okay, so that makes sense. Check added large files will though, right? No. Fuck. What is the first hook here? Command hooks. What the fuck? Oh. Right, we need to be on main. We need to be updated. Here we go. But yeah, in Go, specific error types are usually only made if it makes it easier to build the error message itself, i.e. when you want to pass some data to the error and build some nice messages with that data. Yeah, exactly. I mean, in Rust, it's kind of the same, at least in the Rest I've written. But then again, I haven't written that much Rust, so. I've written far more Go, and I'd rather not write anymore. Okay, let's actually make a Stack Overflow post for this, so. But let's make it so that we can do it with pre-commit run -h all files, because that'll make it easier to explain it to someone. What? Pre-commit sample config, pre-commit auto update. Actually, what does this do? No such file or directory, right? Commit config.yaml, auto update. But we want bleeding edge. Give me that absolutely newest thing. Oh fuck, that's what I thought would happen. Oh, we gotta update frequency I too. I will doctor the output a little bit, maybe. Let's see. I guess we can. This is fine. This actually doesn't need us to doctor the output. Yeah, let's go to Stack Overflow. I'm not logged in here. Great. Let's go to Stack Overflow in the other browser. Woohoo! Ask a question. How do I make a title that's compelling here? I'm losing the thing here. Invalid manifest error. Stages expected one of ... Fuck. I'm losing this window. Oh, there is a duplicate already, isn't there? Yeah. I'm glad they deleted this. This should not have fixed anything. Downvote. Weird. Okay, never mind. I don't have to make a Stack Overflow post because see, hold on. Hold the phone. You know what? This is amazing. This is okay, well it's gotten worse now, but this is amazing. This is what I want for GitHub. Stack Overflow has clearly invested in this because it's important to them. GitHub has not. Well, they did and then they killed the product. This is, like, I put in very, very little information in this title. Very, 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 very little information in this title. And it gave me the exact duplicate that I was looking for. This is what I want for GitHub. Because fucking 90+% of the issues that I deal with on GitHub are exact duplicates. And I've ranted about this many times. I'll do it again. So there was a startup that did this for GitHub. It was a bot that you added to your repos, and after the issue got created, it would comment with a probabilistic duplicate and claim that this was a duplicate, and then often OP would be like, oh yeah, of course, yeah, that's exactly my duplicate, and close it and move on with their life, and maintainers would not need to get involved besides getting an annoying email about it. Then GitHub implemented this feature. They had this duplicate issue suggestion thing. It was implemented. It was there. They announced it. People applauded. It was great. It was not 100% perfect, but it did what we mostly wanted, which is that it recommended people duplicates instead of letting them create another issue. And then the startup was like, fuck, well, if GitHub implemented this, I guess we're out of business, and shut down their product and moved on with their lives. And then 6 months later, GitHub killed the feature. And so we're back to fucking square one. But I just want this so bad. I want this for GitHub so bad. Like, if I could ask for one fucking thing from GitHub and then just never again, like, I won't ask for literally anything else, it's this. This would make my life so much better. But alas, it doesn't exist. Anyway, there's my rant on fucking duplicate suggestions. Asking a question on Stack Overflow, that's a brave move right there. Oh, I was just gonna self-answer. But yeah. I was just gonna self-answer and self-accept, because that's what I did for the last breaking change, and it was pretty good. We're actually probably gonna do the same thing for Python VM, because no one will have a duplicate for that one. Title it a compelling title. Don't flag this as a dupe. It isn't. Yeah. 9 times out of 10, it isn't a duplicate, but the bot's called admins on Stack Overflow. I love to say it is. I mean, anyone with a gold badge can dupe hammer things, which is mostly how that happens. But, not even fixing that out of order list. So, okay, there's 2 different out of order lists, or I miss. There's the one on... I'm surprised I didn't tabulate. I guess I haven't opened up Predicament CI on the new computer. There's actually, why does this link work? Shouldn't work. Shouldn't let me do this. Oh, it does let me do this. Oh, it lets me request it. Those are the repos I have version access. Anyway, the thing that's very annoying is this is sorted. Okay, so this used to not be sorted, but this down here is not sorted. This is in just fucking arbitrary order. That's probably not an arbitrary. I know what order this is. Actually, no, it doesn't make any sense. Why is this one so early? Didn't rename. Oh, maybe I renamed this repo. No, this makes sense. Alalasi, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This is in repository ID orders. This is the oldest repository that I have in GitHub that has Predicament CI enabled for it. Whereas this is the newest one. Yeah, this is based on repository ID, which is fucking useless. Who cares about repository ID? Give me alphabetical. So that's one of the things that's not ordered. The other one they're actually fixing. The other one I can tell you that they are fixing. Which is the status list. The status list for pull requests. This is finally ordered. Now I would have put required things first, but that is a whole different thing. Why isn't 3.12 required? I don't fucking know. Oh, it's hooked up. But yeah, they have finally ordered this. Unless this is my user script. Hold on. Make sure this isn't my user script. It might just be my user script fixing it. No, that looks like it's in order. Yeah. Okay. So they are fixing this one. That one. But this is a beta view, so spoilers. I'm not even really supposed to show you this, but I don't give a fuck. They shouldn't have put it on me if I mean, here's the thing. They have a group of influencer type people on GitHub in this special stars program. And then they give us beta access to a bunch of shit, don't tell us about it, and are like, oh yeah, don't show anybody. And it's like, what the fuck am I supposed to do? It's way more work for me to turn it off than to just show it. Like, oh no, I'm not gonna spoil any announcements. Like, no one gives a fuck. GitHub. You're not like announcing the new iPhone. There's a fucking pull request view. Who cares? Time to go and strike like dock workers. Everyone stops answering dupe questions. They might add it back. Yeah, see, I've gotten to the point where I just don't answer dupe questions. I just say, this is a duplicate. You didn't search well. I don't have the time to find the duplicate. I just know it is. But anyway. James Rika says, go work there, implement it, and then quit. I think it's a big project to bring it back. And there's probably a good reason that they canceled it. AKA, it probably cost a fuck ton of money. Because it was almost certainly some machine learning garbage that I don't know how to do. Well, I could figure it out, but yeah. Anyway. DevCant Game says, part of me is considering getting new coding laptops since my ThinkPad has cracks on each side of the keyboard. Which I baby my devices, so I don't know how that happened. Cracks on the keyboard. No one's shitting them. No one's sitting there shitting themselves. OMG, GitHub added a cool emoji. Dude, if they added another React emoji, people would lose their mind. Almost certainly. Well, I kind of get it, but I don't understand why people are so invested in the fuck? Anyway, this is the preview view. It's very broken for strange reasons. Anyway. GitHub's Copilot thing probably costs even more money. Oh, yeah. Absolutely. They're probably spending buckets and buckets of money on Copilot. And I think it's all a bubble. I really think this AI code gen stuff is not getting better. But what the fuck do I know? What the fuck do I know? Those things aren't getting done anytime soon. AI slop gen? Yeah, basically. Okay, so before I release pre-commit, I want to release pre-commit hooks, and so we got to go through some pre-commit hooks. Bop, bop, bop. This one we have to good code change like a ghost, which is fine because I got to change their message anyway. Bop. Okay. Get clone. Recommit hooks. AI slap gen? Yeah. Basically. Get check out these droid sim links. Get branch tissue or the main. Get show. Not that file. Right, we gotta rebase it first. Mid, comma. There we go. Pre-commit, pre-push. Get the shoe. And push origin head dash F. And then we can refresh. Oh, I pushed the wrong place. There we go. Push to the right place this time. Good code, it changed like a ghost. And merge. The idea of having your editor always connected to the internet kind of frustrates me. Hey, Babby never phones home. I guess neither does Vim, but Ken and Jairus, hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. How are you doing, sir? It's going. Going. Saturday, writing some code. Having a beer, you know. Chuck would say, "Ayo, cheers." I don't know. It's going all right. Windows, why are you so slow? How many months has it been since April? I guess I should look at when this got released. Let's commit this tag. April 6th. May, June, July, August, September. Technically, it's been 6 months. We could do this one too. I think I'll give it another 6 months. But yeah. 10 years from now, oh, no AI features will be a selling point. You know, part of me, there's like two reasonable outcomes here. One is somehow we break like some crazy barrier and AI actually makes our lives better. Incredibly unlikely, from what I understand. And we can all fucking retire on a farm somewhere and live our lives out in peace. The other is it all fucking crashes and burns. Seems way more likely, but then plugins actually can phone home, I guess. I mean, true, yeah, they're arbitrary codes, so they can do whatever they want. Ken and Jerry says, December's about 1.5 months away. Will you be streaming Advent of Code on a daily basis? The plan is yes. The plan is we will be doing Advent of Code streams. However, I won't be able to do like the first week because I am going to be at a holiday party. And, well, maybe I could do it. Remember we did the hotel stream from, that was a long time ago. It was 2 years ago. Well, slightly less than 2 years ago. We did the hotel stream from Toronto, where I got trashed at the holiday party and then came back and did Advent of Code and then went back to sing karaoke while more trashed. That was a fun night. Fucked up night, but that was a fun night. Yeah. I have a story from that night, but I don't think I can tell it on stream. Because, yeah, a little too dark for stream. But some fucked up shit happened that night. We'll just put it that way. Action Yum, hello, welcome to the stream. Yellow, how you doing? Can you do a Leap Code stream, please? We'll do some Advent of Code at some point. We will do some Advent of Code. So that's about as Leap Cody as we get. So, and actually, Juicebox Hero reminded me that I am, I got some shit to do here. I got 2 years to finish that I haven't done yet. Can't tell it on stream. Must have involved minors. No, it wasn't minors. It was just like uncomfortable work situations, basically. Canadian hotel is true. Enjoy your holiday. I mean, most of my enjoyment from holiday is doing Advent of Code. Let's be real. I wouldn't fucking be here if it weren't for Advent of Code and hanging out and doing Leak Code-esque problems in December while sleep deprived and up in the middle of the goddamn night. Yeah, good stuff. But yeah, Eric says that's the day I lost all my Babby points. Did you bet on that stream? I don't even know what I would bet for. But yeah. Start an OnlyFans for saucy gossip. So I was actually thinking of making like a subs only Discord channel where I just drop all of my like juiciest hot takes. But I don't, it feels dirty. I bet that you'd be on the leaderboards while you were drunk coding. Ah, right. D. Delsk did the prediction there. Yeah. Yeah, that's a tough bet because I had a lot to drink before that. I mean, I did eventually get the problem working, but yeah. Can I do it again? I mean, it's so hard to get on the leaderboards. Let's see. Can we even see like how many points I got? Leaderboard? Did I get any points? Personal times. Oh yeah, here we go. None. Last year I got none. Makes sense though. These are the closest I got. Yeah. I was not really allowed to do them as they came out. 2022 though, I think this is the year that I got really close to being oh no, 289. That's actually not that many points. What was the year that I was on global leaderboard? Was it 2021? I mean, not global overall, but I did appear on the global. Oh yeah, this one, 454. I was so sweaty this year. Yeah, it's pretty fun though. I don't know. More and more people are doing Advent of Code, so it's harder and harder to get on global. But I don't know. Shrugs. Alright, so this is the other one we want to merge before things are done. Oh, we gotta rebase the branch. Oh, named it main too. I hate when people do this. Name your fucking feature branches. God damn it. I want to make a bot that just auto closes pull requests from main. Alcohol not good for coding or learning? I don't know. I did all of my group projects in college while drinking. So, don't know about Coke though. I have no experience with Coke, so I can't tell you. Although a lot of people in San Francisco are coked out of their fucking minds. Get the rebase origin main. F. Oh, actually, for some reason that reminds me I gotta do my chess puzzles. Okay. We're gonna do the daily puzzle chat. Oh, am I logged in? Daily puzzle time. Here's where you get to see how bad at chess I am. Chess boxing with the king. Okay, so white to move. We have those threats, I guess. Black's pieces are pretty useless here. We gotta be worried about these two squares. I feel like this is helpful, but we gotta somehow bring this rook into play here. I'm worried if I do this, then the king's gonna run away. So we don't want that. This seems strong. Oops. Oh god. This seems strong too. I almost wonder if this is a rook sack. If we box the king in, maybe that's what the pun is here. Boxing. If we box the king in, there's like no threat here. This queen is useless. This is the most useless queen I've ever seen. I guess there's a discovered attack on this random ass pawn here. I feel like if we box the king in and then bring our pawns, that's gotta be the play. Fuck, no it's not. And then I just try checks. Ah, okay. Yeah, I was not gonna get this one right. Alright, so now what do we have? We have these threatened. We have this. That feels sort of useless. I don't know. This is one of the harder puzzles that I just don't know. Yeah. Oh god. Hey, what's up, Viscount Thanos? Yeah, sorry, I just remembered that I have to do my chess puzzle for today. I gotta do my daily. God, I'm so bad at these. We could double the rooks. That doesn't feel that useful. We could throw in a check, which doesn't help that much. We could throw in this check, but then my rook dies, which also seems bad. I don't know on this one. This one feels like the king gets away. I'm gonna try my rook doubling idea. Okay, that seems good then. Now we have these. The queen has joined the party though. If we do this, the king runs this way. It's not great. I feel like we gotta. Oh, we have this square too. I feel like we have to bring a pawn to the party, and then. And then what? I don't know. Okay, that was right at least. We could bring in the pawn to the party again, and then it goes here. But that doesn't feel helpful. Oh, this is... No, that's not helpful because it... Fuck! This is a tough one. This is a tough one because, I think we do this and that. Yeah. But now what? We have this square. Oh, there we go. We did it. We did the chat. Oh, okay. We got our chess puzzle. Grandpa's iPad says, I would legitimately love if you stream and commentated on pro chess matches. That might be fun. I don't know that I'm good enough to actually commentate though. Maybe if the evaluation bar is there, I could be like, oh, the bar changed. But I don't think I'm good enough at chess, but who gives a shit, you know? You can be bad at chess and it's still fine. I do realize, actually here, I've gotten pretty good at puzzles, although I've been I've been what's the word? Tilting recently? Oh fuck, we got started here. Okay, we gotta do a puzzle then. That's a threat. Is it that useful though? I guess no, because then the okay, so we do this, the knight takes it, so that's not useful. I think we take this, let that happen, but then what? That doesn't seem that good either. But yeah, I've been tilting puzzles a lot recently. I was up to 2490, so close to 2500, and then tilted all my points away. So this is funky because, like, this is the only check, but it's sort of useless because the knight takes it away. I guess we remove the defender. Nope. We just nope, not that either. Oh, we pin the knight. Oh, except now. Oh, embarrassing. Anyway, I'm not gonna tilt away more puzzles, especially while drinking. So there we go. The commentary would be funny though. Screw being good. True. There's a YouTube channel where a low elo player commentates his own matches, and it was hilarious. That'd be funny. Storage Child, hello, welcome back. It's been a bit. Good to see you again. Day has the answer. RB2, I see. Are you playing rabbit games too, or puzzles only? Mostly just puzzles. I play puzzles and dailies, mostly with my friend. We're about even in skills, so I don't know that I learned too much from it, but anyway, embarrassing. Okay, so we gotta push this up. Get push. Head main. chef. Ugh. Gross command right there. But yeah, I wanted to merge this first. There are so many experts commentating, but I prefer Anthon. I do think I would be a pretty funny commentator for chess. I would say all the wrong things and get really excited about garbage, and it would be great. Okay, so I don't really like this patch, but because like, what the fuck is this? Actually, doesn't \D include these? It doesn't. Weirdly inconsistent. But the YouTube video. Nice, nice. Thanks, Eric. GM Blenders, look at this fucking idiot. Right? Despending and Daniel FRG, thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great whatever the fuck day it is. Saturday, Sunday. Yeah. It's been a long time. How are you? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing all right. Doing all right. Why did they do this? It's so useless. Anyway, yeah, we'll just say this is good enough. Approve? Yeah, that's where the submit review button goes. Goddamn GitHub. Every fucking time. CSS is my passion. I'm gonna stay around. This one I feel like never passed the tests. It's plus 79 minus 1. Yeah, I don't think I'm even gonna look at that one. I think we decided that we're not merging this one. I can already see the please read my Emacs comment headers and use that encoding request, which I really don't have any interest in supporting. Yeah. I think we're just gonna say that no thanks. I appreciate the PR, but I think ultimately I don't want to take on. And this linked here. I pay the web devs, but they're employed, so I'll stick to Envy. Wait, what? Which thing are you referring to? This one is so old. Shrugs. Yeah, I'm gonna deal with that one. Okay, let's make a new release of pre-commit hooks. Is it technically a breaking change because it requires pre-commit 3.2.0? I guess so. Oh, that beer's hitting hard. Good thing it's gone, because it's only gonna improve from here. Oh, the CSS magic? Yeah. It's true. It's true. Git log, one line, first parent, decorate. We get to write a changelog, my least favorite part of doing software development. Can't you just read the git history? Yeah. Git show this. What did you do here? Git show first parent. Change log. Or fuck it. 5.0.0. Don't give a shit. 2024. What is today's date? 10 something? 10-4? 10-4? That's 10-5, isn't it? Damn it. 10-4 would have been funnier. Alright, so features. What is the name of that hook? Oh. Requirements text fixer. What did I do there? Windows key. Oh god, no, that's not what I wanted. Alt tabbed somehow. I want this one. There we go. Oh. Requirements text fixer. Oh, I literally could have just copied it from here. God damn it. Also remove package underscore resources equal. Dot, dot, dot. 850. 3-digit pull request number. Man, that's an old one. 850 PR by this fine individual. Didn't have an associated issue. It did. How? How is this number so small, but this number is so big? March? April. March of 2024, 10:30. April 6th. How the fuck? How is this number smaller than the other number? What the fuck? Wait. Why does this say April of 2024, but this says December of 2022? What is this date? Is that the last push date? Was that when I merged it? Oh, that's weird. Okay, anyway. Anyway, 10:30. Issue by the same person. Yeah. Bop. 10:31. Is there a new thing? Oh, this is a really old issue. It's the same thing here. Wildly disparate numbers here. Okay, so 10:31. What is the name of the new hook? Check illegal Windows names. New hook? Exclamation mark? 1044 PR by our boy Eric. Well, I don't know what they identify as. Our person Eric. 589. Also 589 issue by Eric again. 1039. What are you? 1039. Continue processing JSON files if a hook fails. What does this do? Does this collect all of the JSON errors? Diff is really hard to read, but it's because it does this. Yeah, that's a feature. Pretty format JSON, is that the name of the hook? Levin is here. Welcome to the stream, Levin. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for the follow. Pretty format JSON. Yes. Pretty format JSON. Continue processing. Even if a file has a JSON error. Do I put periods on the end? I do. Gross. So much work. 1039. They did this entirely in the GitHub editor. What a mess. Here by this fellow. Did they have an issue? They did. Same person. At 1038, issue by same person. Nice. Mitsa says, so my team at work needs to import a local JSON file with environment variables to locally test our API. I'm building a local Pigment hook that it fails when it detects the import. Never done it before. Is there a tip you could share? You're gonna have to say more because I'm not sure I understand. Also, Larissa Day, welcome to the stream. Exonity! Thank you for the resub at 45 months at tier 3. Ah, you got the whiskey back in the belly. Wait, this is a different streamer. How many people have this whiskey emote, Exonity? I feel like you just keep switching from streamer to streamer, and each of them has this whiskey emote for you. Name a better duo: Exonity and tier 3 and whiskey emote. Oh wait, that's 3 things. That's not a duo anymore. But still, same idea. Okay, you can ignore all these. 1085, we just merged that one. Exonity says, now imagine being me. Destroyed symlinks. This is actually a fix though. Right? Fixes. Destroyed symlinks. Oh, we skipped the migrating part. Migrating. Pigment hooks now requires pre-commit greater than equal pre-commit greater than equal to 3.2.0. Yeah. Set stages to pre-commit, pre-push manual. PR 1085 by. Uh-oh, I've got the hiccups. Uh-oh. That's not good. Looks more like a test than pre-commit. Yeah, it does probably makes more sense. Oh, the same streamer, they just changed their name. Oh, okay, makes sense. That makes sense. Understandable. 1085. We gotta do another one of these fucking Okay, they didn't have an issue. Cool. 1093. Use non-deprecated names for stages. 1093 PR by myself. Oh. What the fuck was 1049? 1049. This is an extension to this one. 49 PR by Jeffrey. Effrey. I don't know why it lost the J there. Drink water with your arms raised way up works every time? Are you saying I'm supposed to pour water from up here? There's no way that would work, Larissa. Oh, I'm missing a period. God fucking damn it. That just looks stupid though. That just looks dumb. Hmm. That looks less dumb. This looks less dumb, but is harder to you know what, here, we can there we go. We got a good middle ground here. This communicates what we want while also having the period. Meat says, inspired by the hook that detects breakpoint, I was thinking of a hook that exits one if the import exists in the file, as it shouldn't be committed. The mvars exist on Azure anyway. It's just for local deployment. Yeah, that could be something that would be a pre-commit hook. You could do that statically. That'd be pretty easy. Or you could reuse. I know there's a Flake plugin that forbids particular imports. You could do that too. Also mixing the period after stages. God damn it. Thank you, Audi DW. Stupid periods. Remove all the periods? Yeah, we could just hold on. Before we do it. We could just remove all the periods at the end. No more periods. Fuck periods. Everyone hates periods, but no, we won't do that. That's too much. If it's Python, you could do a relatively simple AST visitor look for the import. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. Or if you use like, there's like a Flake plugin that does this. Or you could use reorder Python imports to -- remove import. You could just fucking remove it. Then it would trigger a different Flake error, but. Can I add a changelog for the period div? Nah, fuck that. Nobody wants that. It shall be 4.6.0 name only format equals. So gotta edit all these same files 460 to 500. Oh, we're gonna get 5.0 for both of them. Wilding. Oh. Let's fuck that one up. All right. Need a changelog formatter? Yeah, that's too much work. All right, I need to fill up my water though, because I am out. So I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec, and then we'll actually do this release. So, BRB. Hi chat, welcome back. Larissa Day says, is this new version a major / breaking one? Yes, because it requires a newer version of pre-commit. All right, chat. Unrelated. You want my my shitty life pro tip? Salty snacks. I have spicy pistachios. I like eating them with chopsticks for 2 reasons. One, it drastically limits the rate that I can consume them, but also it means that my fingers don't get all gross. And so I eat salty snacks with chopsticks. I also eat Doritos with chopsticks too. But anyway, shitty life pro tip. Chopsticks for salty snacks. Okay. Get this staged. Oh, I forgot my password manager. Hold on a sec. We gotta mute. Okay, we're back. Sorry. We'll repeat what I said. Grandpa's iPad says, you look rad AF. Do you do this in public too? I do when chopsticks are available. If they're not available, then I eat chopsticks like a normal person. Or eat chopsticks. Eat snacks like a normal person. Larissa Day says, also helps with rubbing spicy fingers across body parts that don't like it. I laughed and I said, we're just gonna go with eyeballs. That's what you're talking about, like Larissa Day. Nothing else, just eyeballs. But yeah. Anyway, sorry about the no sound. Thank you, Alatar Lewin and Grandma's iPad and Larissa Day. But anyway. If they're not available, you have someone feed them to you. Yeah, you have somebody that will do that for you. Okay, anyway, 5.0.0. Features, fixes, migrating. And then the version changes. That looks good. Audi DW says, hi, by the way. Was mostly looking for today's stream. Started seeing your videos on YouTube this week and going through your explains playlist while I work. Tons of content there. Yes, tons is a huge understatement, but I do appreciate you saying that. As if you don't know, I have uploaded 584 videos to the explains page. Well, technically 585 because there's episode 0, but of my various knowledge in Python, Linux, Docker, Git, whatever the fuck else I decide that I want to make a video about. But good to hear that, Audi DW, and welcome to the stream. All right, git commit -n-mv 5.0.0. We have to do this because I can't use my script because yeah, because we made a changelog. Python pip. God, it's been so long since I've done this. sdist bdist wheel. I know you shouldn't run setup.py. Sumi. Upload by a twine. This is password manager, so I could get IPI token and paste that in there. And then git push origin head tags. It starts from 0 as amount of culture should count. Yes. I don't even know if does the list actually show 0 here? It does. There we go. It does start from 0. As it should. Hans Zenga says, what's the keyboard? Ayo, look at that bot. Look at the bot doing its job. Welcome to the stream. Pause Zega. Yeah, this is the second keyboard. And there's a video about it if you have more questions. Okay, did I push? We did. Hooray! Pre-commit hooks 5.0.0. Eric has redeemed Switch keyboard. I gotta make that shit more expensive. Where did my keyboard even go? Oh, it's plugged into the other computer. Yeah, we can. Oh my god, I got so much junk on my desk. I got all my like pins and stuff from TwitchCon. Got Chibi. Oh, should I put Umbreon on? Can I have Umbreon? Okay, we gotta switch keyboard though. That's what we're here for. Alright, move all my stuff. Maybe my fidget pins. The whole deal to switch keyboards. Now you can bet on AOC. Oh, because you have no points left after this. There. Where did your keyboard go for the rest of the goddamn stream? You ready? You ready for this, Eric? This is what you've done. We got Froggy. Okay. Which keyboard is this, Pazega? Let that scroll down. Oh, I must have pressed it on the other keyboard. Well, give me a little jank. Yeah. Not in the right place, though. It'll be good enough. It'll be good enough. How many points do you have left, Eric? Hey, bang keyboard still works. You lie, bot? No, it didn't lie. This is the keyboard we got now. This one. 900 points, oh man. AudiDW says, also watched your banana bread video yesterday, which inspired baking pumpkin bread this morning. Nice! We're actually about to bake pumpkin bread on this stream too. I don't know when, but I bought the ingredients for it, so it'll happen at some point. Yeah, because it's spooky month. And so we're gonna make banana bread. Pumpkin bread. That one. One of the two. Yeah, don't mind me while I snack on pistachios. Okay, cool. So we released pre-commit hooks. You've never read the bot's reply. Yeah, the bot has both keyboards. Specifically to catch this scenario at Grandpa's iPad. Okay. Oh yes, and I don't know if all of you have seen this cool pen that I also got at TwitchCon. Come on, focus. Yeah, it's got this fancy lever to enable and disable the pen. I really like it. It's very satisfying. Although I have found out that if I flick it too many times, this little pin, don't look at my face. This little pin here becomes unscrewed, and so I gotta put it back together. But such is life. Even though I think I owe it a PR to fix the links. Eric says, I also realized I think this is the first time I've used Babbies. Everything else was on losing bets. Oh my. This looks so jank. Terrible. It's fine. Oh god, that's not what I wanted. I gotta get used to this other keyboard now. Okay. I actually like this one way more, but I've used this one so much more often that it feels awkward. Okay. You gotta do the same thing that we just did there. Get log, one line, decorate. First parent. RIP shoulders? Oh, yeah. Because the other keyboard is better for my shoulders. You know, I don't have ergonomic problems. It's just I use it because it looks cool. And because I got it for free. Hashtag sponsored. Man, Kinesis has gotten a great deal of mileage out of giving me this keyboard. They've appeared in probably 1,000 streams. For what? You know, a couple $100. Not even that. I think it's was it $200 keyboard? I don't even know. Kinesis Freestyle Pro. $179, $200 keyboard. I wish I would have gotten browns instead of reds, though. What are you gonna do? Kinesis keyboards are so big, I don't think they fit on my desk. This one's not that big. I guess you mean this way. Yeah, it's pretty deep. Z3OSAR, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by. Alright, let's do another fucking changelog. Recommence. Okay. Get Statsu, yeah. YAML rewrite, so that is the minor thing. Oh wait, that other one was 5.0.0, this one's 4.0.0. Very different. And 5. Features. Improve, pre-commit, migrate, big to handle for YAML formats. 3301, PR by myself. Uh-huh. 3302. Handle stages deprecation in pre-commit migrate config. 3302, PR by myself, and there should be an issue with this one too. I didn't click on that, but okay. They changed how these graphs work. Look at this graph. That looks so funny. How is this person number 3? I must have just not squashed their commits. This is crazy. It literally just looks like it's all me. Which is probably true for the most part. I don't know what pre-commit looks like. Oh, you want to see something crazy, chat? Look at how many clones this gets per week. Like 75,000 clones a week. Actually, this is lower than I remember it being. Maybe GitHub has filtered out some of this, but solder stream to swap out the switches. Fuck, I don't even know how I would take this apart. I don't think this is really designed to be post-consumer modified, but would be kind of fun. Would be kind of fun. I'm sure someone has done it though, right? It's a nerd keyboard, and like, surely some nerd has made a YouTube video about it. Isn't that the worst part of open source? So few people contribute compared to complaining. Yep. 100%. It is terrible. These numbers are way lower than I remember. I feel like GitHub must have done something that makes these numbers not quite accurate anymore. Because it used to be a clone like every couple seconds. And this seems way, way lower than that. All the work to rip that open and desolder, you might as well get a new keyboard. That's kind of true. Yeah. Let's see if someone's done it. Kinesis Freestyle Pro Switch resoldering. Modding my Kinesis Freestyle Pro 2 split keyboard. Oh boy. In principle you can, but I wouldn't recommend it without the proper tools. A vacuum desoldering gun and experience. Yeah, I don't have one of those. I have one of those squishy bulbs. But those are Functional at best. Alright, bring me pull 3302. 2732. 2732 issue by myself. Upgrade Ruby build 3119 PR by how this works. This got codes. I don't think that one had an issue associated with it, but we'll check it in. 3319. That's not the right number. 3199. I put the wrong number here too. 3199. Other issue, that's fine. 3311. And sensible projects warnings to repo meta. 3311, PR by myself. Add warnings for deprecated stages. Push to push and merge commit. Merge. All three of these PRs. So 3312. Team. 3313. And 3315. And that same issue as before. So and then this is internal. And this is our breaking change. So we migrating. Right? We did before? Yeah. Language Python VM has been removed. Use language Python. 3320 PR by myself, and I should have linked the issue, but I probably didn't. Did not. Python VM 2734. Last step of this. Also by cool. Typo and deprecated. Really? Deprecation, that's spelled right. Yeah, I wrote deprecates for some reason. All the work to rip. Oh, I already read that one. You're really getting a lot of false positives? I don't know what it's. Too bad I need to go out and not witness the historical moment. It's okay, it'll be in the VOD. Not that you're gonna watch the VOD. But, I don't know, it's not that historical, it's just yet another version number. Let's edit all the other files. Name only, format equals. Oh, it's only those two. 4.0.0, wow, big number. Oh, the get forks thing, yeah. Yeah, they probably filtered out bots or GitHub actions or who knows what. Or they added some mirroring somewhere. Who knows? All right. We 4.0.0. Our PyPI token again from the void of the other screen. It's Control-Shift-V. That's what his token is. Oh my, you all know it now. Yay, Brigman 4 has been released. Do I need to update the docs in any way? Oh, let's see. I think I usually, oh yeah. You can just remove this now. Bop. And I think usually when I release a new major version, I remove the new in from two major versions before. We can probably remove all the new in two not somethings. Right, I'm just eating some snacks. Give me a sec. I didn't have lunch. I probably have lunch. Not too many things. Did we remove all the new in ones? We did, okay. Yeah. If I'm remembering correctly. Get grep-L. We'll install hooks from that. Undocument the old thing. Cool. Oh my god, what am I done? What I want. There we go. Phase 4 pre-commit 4.0. Remove 2.x references. What did I do? Oh. And I should probably upgrade my version. CD, what am I doing? How do I computer? How do I computer? What the fuck is going on? npm install is chewing up a bunch of CPU. Update docs for pre-commit 4.0. Remove Python VM. Remove 2.x. Very cool. Blah 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 blah. Enable auto merge. Had to do a build here, it looks like. Yeah, I had to rebuild biome. Interesting. But that was oh, it makes sense. I'm probably using not common. Cool. All right, pre-commit hooks released, pre-commit released, docs updated. Pre-commit CI is the last piece to the puzzle. I don't know what we need to do there other than the auto updater. Exit, hello, how you doing? And I think it's really just the migrate config stuff. The Joe Mega, hello, how you doing? It has been a while. It's good to see you again. What do I gotta do here? We gotta copy all this over, I think. So it's mostly just this migrate composed doodad. Which means we need this guy. Yep. And then it's weird that these are not written like the other ones are. Like these are all written as partial. I guess maybe because partial didn't work then. Well, we'll do this and see what happens. I think it's because dump didn't work properly with partial, but maybe it works fine now. When MyPy is solved, this can be a functools.partial. I think this got solved, actually. 1484. Let's see what happens if we do that. YAML dump equals functools partial. YAML dot dump dumper equals dumper. Oh, but all this other fucking shit too. Document to write. If text IO base has incompatible type none expected stir. The fuck? Yeah, the overloading must not work there. Oh, it seems like it is not solved. Unfortunate. Transferring studio inside of my company is my current one is too small with too much overhead. So it's closing, which also means moving next year. I'm not looking forward to it. Oh boy, that's a lot to do. Well, I hope that goes well. Sounds like a mess. But hopefully not too bad. Migrate config. Then we gotta do these here. This big old function. Yeah, copy paste. Let's go. I don't do this here. But it's fine, I guess. Oh, no. Control plus. That's not what we want. You at least don't have regex anymore. Oh, that's so good. Always good to see. I'm typing import callable. It'll probably get rewritten to collections ABC. Yeah. Functools. It's our tools. Any data nerds going to coalesce next week? You're gonna become unnull? I'm not, but I'm sure there's somebody in chat that's going. What are all the things that it does here? Language. JD, cool. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. The local hooks, ID, example, name, example, language, Python, VM, entry, example. That'll be good enough. Expected. The same, but Python. Contents equals migrate config source. Source equals experience content. Expected. Cannot determine type of loader. Says it is out of order. Sick. Damn, that was so fast. Fast tests are good. Def test, migrate, config. Ref, we did Python VF. We did default stages and repo hook stages. Is that it? Yeah, I guess so. Default stages. You can even just do need to reassign it here. We can just do that. Test, migrate, config, hook stages. Repo local hooks. That's fixed value. Expected, only pre-commit and pre-push. What? Why is there a Squacket there? Get out of there, Squacket. Data cards. Ah, the Snowflake one or the Databricks one or something else. It's by a company that has a tool called DBT, not to be confused with the behavioral therapy. I think I'm familiar with the DBT tool a little bit. Migrate config 4.0. Approve migrate config for pre-commit 4.0. Unstage. Weird. I forgot to add that file, I guess. Sure, you guys run talks? No? Brr. Uh-huh. We are missing coverage on this line. Oh, we need to give it some other value that's not one of those. Sweet. Oh, and I gotta make the release and the other stuff too. I forgot. Well, let's get this pushed. I've only heard of DBT from people complaining about SQL Fluff, which is a linter formatter for SQL something, maybe? Question mark? We need to go testing zip app make 4.0.0. I think that's how this works. This is not supposed to show up here, but there's a bug in Podman. I've told it to build with -q, and it's supposed to hide all standard out and standard error, but for some reason it prints that one line of standard error. And I don't know why. And I haven't bothered trying to fix it because I care. Oh, we gotta get more than 20 lines. Right. Pre-commit. Releases, make a new one. It's funny that it looks like only one person made the last release. But... New release for... And this. And files from shared directory. Publish! Hooray! Look at that. Muscle Man Development, welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing... Oops, I didn't mean to click on your Twitch stream. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Oh, one thing I wanted to check on. Off topic. Dead Snakes, PP. I wonder if... Did we get RC3? Yo! I didn't have to do anything! And these got auto-promoted! Oh, it's so good. I'm so excited that I'm going to tell the other maintainer. Worked. Yeah, when did I talk to them? Been a while? Very sick. Very happy with that. Bozo, welcome back. Hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. It's been a bit. I hope you're doing all right. I haven't heard from you in a while. I hope you're doing okay. Oh, and these ones auto-promoted too. I didn't have to do anything for 312 either. Yo. That's so good. I'm so happy with it. Man, all of the fucking work that I put into these updates, auto nightly updater doodad, is paying off. Paying off. Yeah, look at this. Automatically made a changelog. Automatically bumped the revision. Automatically released. Pretty sick. You'll love to see it. Ah, great when the system works. As Venditelli, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Rosa says, doing great. I hope you're doing great as well. I can see pre-commit 4.0. This is amazing. Yeah, we did it. We fucking did it. Pre-commit 4.0. It exists. Jaholo. Thank you for the resub at 49 months. Sometimes I think all production software is just average at best. Manager be like, feature greater than doing things right. Fuck. That's so true. That's so true. S1 Cube says those streams are fun. Yeah, I did have fun rebuilding the Dead Snakes machinery. It felt like a little bit of a grind, but it was all like very new and very refreshing, and I'm glad that it paid off. I mean, it's already paid off. It's done 2 releases by itself, and I had to do nothing to make those successful. They just did it themselves, which is, it's the dream. What you want it to do. Soldiering on and doing things right at home, true. Yeah, I mean, I try and do things right when it's my own project. Boza says, do you remember long ago when we were talking about 10,000 stars and you were skeptical, and here we are now? That's true. I do remember that when I was like, yeah, pre-commit, I don't think it'll ever get that popular, but fuck, we're at 13,000, almost 13,000 stars now. It's yeah, we did it. So here's a crazy thing that happened. This is just like, I know I'm coming full circle. I had a roommate in college, and he was in like behavioral science, like psychology, psych sort of stuff. And he was like, "Man, I feel like my research is dead end, and I'd love to make more money, and like I think I'm gonna take up informatics and maybe some like data science to it." I was like, "Yeah, that's a way to make a bunch of money." And the other day, he published a library on GitHub. Why does he not have it pinned? Anyway, he published a library on GitHub. And look where we've come. Look at how far we've come, chat. My friend is using pre-commit and my linters and a thing I wrote. Wait, this is not how this works. This is not gonna do what you want. Oh no, Max. No, this means you're not linting anything. But you know what? I think it's real cool that Max is as built something. But it was wild to be like, oh look, my buddy from college is using a tool that I wrote, and I didn't even tell him to use it. But yeah, I've come a long way. I don't know, feels cool. All right, let's merge the auto update doodad. Next auto update's gonna be lit because everyone's gonna bump to 5.0.0. So it's good to get this in first, because then they'll get these improvements too. Oh yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. What else do I have to do? I think that's it. Updated pre-commit hooks, updated pre-commit, updated docs, updated pre-commit CI. I guess we can bump the actual image, the pre-commit version in pre-commit CI's runner image, even though it's not gonna make any difference. When is the birthday to pre-commit 1.0? You know, I don't know when 1.0 was released. But pre-commit is over a decade old now, because the first version, the first public version called pre-commit was in March? No, May of 2014. So it's 10 years old. But let's look at when 1.0.0 was. 2017. So it took a couple years to get out of Coward's version land. I've changed my approach to this now, though. Everything starts at 1.0, and fuck Coward's version. Coward's version's for cowards. Pre-commit CI Lite? That doesn't need any updates, because people just do whatever they want. Although I think there is a looming deprecation there with artifacts. I'm pretty sure I'm using the old artifact system, so I'm gonna have to do that at some point today. Make sure this deploys. Deploy to dev, deploy prod, please. I can see a little chuckle every time. Yeah, big up dog next week. It's true, Beldothis. It's gonna be a chunky one. Oh right, we were doing this other. We were going to update it in the run image. Oh, we're already out of date here. So let's do that. Okay. Under image. You saw those chunky auto updates? Yeah, this one's gonna be a big one because it's 5 point. It's a pre-commit hooks bump. Actually, we want to change this to 2.7. Oh, 3.7. Okay. I guess it doesn't actually need to. We don't actually need to change the minimum bound. All right. Bylock, identify node platform tools, pre-commit, PyYAML. Setup tools is gone. What was pulling in setup tools? Probably Node-env? Hopefully that's fine. Oh, we got a partner in chat. Hef, hello, hello. If it isn't broke it, fix it, fix it until it is. That's true, that's true. Welcome to stream, Hef. Have you looked into UV? I have. Upgrade, pre-commit. Spell it wrong. It branch dash, I'm not commit. Upgrade, pre-commit. Yeah. Hef says it's how I do dev. Iterate on something until I break it and then clean it up. I mean, that's a good approach. That's in a way test-driven development, but slightly adjusted. All right. Anyway, push origin head. First attempt is never good enough. Sometimes it is, but yeah, usually it's better to iterate and get something more gooder. The more bestest, the bestester. Never the most optimized. Yeah. Test broken development. Yeah. Yep. I really don't like that they've used the same branding as the undeleted. Like this used to be the like delete branch button, but now it's the same colors. I would have made this gray. It just bothers me. But I'm a power user of the platform, so it makes sense that it's annoying. The most bestest is, yeah. Oh, we should make a Stack Overflow post for if somebody is using something deprecated. Yeah, so if we do language Python VM, this. Stack Overflow. Fix it with a CSS override and leave GitHub support feedback? Yeah, that would be one way. Invalid manifest error. That key language expected one of but got Python VF. Python VF. I've been using pre-commit for quite a while successfully. I updated and I'm getting a new error message, but it worked fine before. Here's my is the error message. Do 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 do. Oh, this is invalid configurer, not invalid manifest. Did I make a manifest that fails this? Yeah, we'll just adjust this then. We'll fudge this a little bit. Mr. Jake, hello. Good to see you again. Thank you for the resub at 51 months. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate your continued support. It's great to see you again, and I hope you're doing well. Are you doing the question in before to just answer it? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna self-answer. Yeah, I'm just self-answering here. All Cliffs, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Who steps ahead? Indeed. Yeah, this is a self-answer. I usually do this for breaking changes. That way people will get them. And I'll fudge the output a little bit. What do? We'll put this in here. Answer your own question. Oh, precommit.com. Answer your own question. It looks like you've recently updated to pre-commit the 4.0.0, which removes support for language Python VM. Has been warning for quite a while now, but fortunately, language Python VM is just an alias to language Python. If you've set language Python VM in your configuration directly, you can run precommit migrate config to automatically update that to language VM, or language Python. If it's in an external repository, this is what it looks like given your error message above. You'll want to run precommit auto update, which usually will bump you to a is fixed. However, if that is not fixed, or if that does not fix your problem, you'll need to report the issue to whatever repo is. Next example here, it looks like the repository is and the hook ID is hook ID. Disclaimer, I created precommit. Precommit hooks.yaml. Self-answer. Why do I have to press the button twice? Now the only thing left is to review your own question and to downvote. Yeah. Jake says, back from a work trip and not sick, getting married in 2 weeks. Life is crazy. Damn, you got all sorts of stuff happening. Congratulations. Alcliffe says, company fired half the team, no money for the team. 6 months later, money from investor lets us buy another startup. As it goes. Marcus duplicate. Yeah, I don't think this one. You can accept your answer in 2 days. Fuck me. Okay. Literally the expert on the topic. Can't accept my own answer. Wonderful. Anyway, okay, we did that. Failed to enable auto merge. Choose bro. Merge. Alright, so last thing I gotta do is bump that image, and we're done. We're done with this big ol' release. We did it. Go team. Oh, we gotta watch it somewhere here. It's gonna take a while. Alright, yeah, this is gonna take a while. So I think we'll wrap it up here. Short little, well, 2 hours. Decent sized stream. Shorter stream today, but we got what we wanted to get done. So that's really it. But yeah, let me do my little spiel. We'll send you off to another channel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So go subscribe there. And yeah, watch the videos. They're real cool. This one is another fun deep dive into stuff. It's interesting because YouTube showed me that like retention on this video is way higher than most of my channel, but click-through rate is way lower than most of my channel. So what the fuck gives, YouTube? I don't know, but I think it was a good video, so you should check it out. If you missed any part of the stream, I upload those VODs when I remember to the second channel at anthonywritescode-vods. So yeah, go check out previous streams there. And join the Discord. That's where I announce streams. Usually stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon-ish. Something like that, but we like test but fall asleep watching it. There you go. Also, Yuliwu, welcome to the stream. Hello. But yeah, that's gonna wrap us up for today. I think we have somebody in mind to raid though.